A Green Dot secured credit card uses your own deposit as collateral, and that deposit becomes your credit limit while your account activity gets reported to the credit bureaus to help build credit history. By the end, you'll know if this card is actually legit, how it works in real life, what it does well, and when it becomes a bad choice compared to other secured cards. Start with the core idea. You put money down as a security deposit, and that amount controls how much you can spend. Every month, your payments and balance get reported to the credit bureaus. That reporting is what helps build credit over time when you use the card responsibly. This is important because the card's value is not in rewards or perks. It's in credit reporting. If you're trying to build or rebuild credit, the entire system depends on consistent on-time payments and keeping your balance low relative to your limit. Now look at what legit actually means here. The card is a real secured credit product from a known financial services company, and it functions like other secured cards in the market. It is designed to help users establish credit history, not to act like a traditional rewards credit card. The main difference compared to more established secured cards is how basic the experience is. Many secured cards focus on either smoother upgrades into unsecured cards or more structured credit building paths. Green Dot's approach is more straightforward, which can feel limited if you're expecting features beyond basic credit reporting. Another important factor is how you should think about usage. This card does not fix credit by itself. It only creates the reporting activity. If payments are late or balances stay high, that same reporting can work against you instead of helping you. So the real question is not just whether it's legit, but whether it fits your situation. If you need a simple entry point into credit and just want something functional to start building history, it can serve that purpose. If you want strong upgrade paths, rewards, or more structured credit building tools, other secured cards may be a better fit. Quick recap. Green Dot secured cards are legitimate credit building tools. They use a deposit system, and they report to credit bureaus. The limitation is that they are very basic compared to newer secured card options. Next step is simple. Only use it if your goal is getting started with credit activity, and you don't need extra features or rewards. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card breakdowns without the confusion.